Right, so now that I have my phone recording the audio, because I don't know how this audio is, I really don't know. But the point is that after years of thinking about making a video and like putting it on video or whatever, this is better. Yeah, I have finally decided to just do it because everybody just does it. And I'm not wearing my specs, so I can't really see what's happening. And this is my dad's camera, and it's like really old. So I don't know, but we start somewhere, right? Because I was recording with my phone, and then the lights were flickering, and I didn't know how to fix that. So I was like, let's just let it be and record from Papa's camera. Anyways, so the point of this video is that I have the TXT album. So yeah, and I want to open it because I've seen so many unboxing videos and I've always wanted to do an unboxing video, but I never really did buy an album. I bought a BTS album, but I was too excited and I just opened it. So anyways, this was a pre-order album. So I got the pre-order viewers benefits. I did a Geo. I did not yeah. I did a Geo. I did not get it myself. So anyways, I got a few freebies from this place. One is this, which is like a TXT keychain situation, which I'm sure nobody really is interested in. And I got a photo card, which is made by the thing. So that's Subin Sunday Driver photo card. Now to premise this. So basically, I'm an OT5, okay? Vehement, aggressively OT5. But, Subin is my alt bias. So yeah, I was very happy that I got this. I did not tell the shop that my bias is Subin. So luck. Anyways, the luck doesn't stop there because I got the photo card and I did not wait to look at the photo card because I was too excited. So this is my Subin photo card and I love it. I don't know if it's visible or what. I'm probably too far away from the camera, but this is the only setup I have, so we're gonna work with it. So anyways, this is my Subin photo card, which I absolutely love. And this is a very prized possession now. So I'm gonna keep this. And I also got the acrylic stand thing, which is this. So yeah, again, this is also Subin and very similar to the photo card. So yeah, that will go up on my bookshelf. Anyways, now I should probably open the album, right? I don't think I'm sitting centered, but I don't want to shift my camera, it's too far away. Anyways, so the album, yay! I think this is the way to go, probably. Okay, let's go. We're gonna be very careful because God forbid I damage this. I cannot. So yeah, I don't know how interesting these are, but I used to like watching unboxing videos and now I want to try. So yeah. I think that was it. We're in. Also, I want to say that I got the random version and somehow I did end up with Awake, which was the one that I wanted. Anyways, I did not even say what album this is, but I'm sure if you're watching it, you know what album it is. Okay, it's the Star Chapter Together. It's the latest album. And yeah, I think I'm going to open it now. Is this how you open it? I'm pretty sure this is how you open it. I hope I don't see the photo card before. I want to like look at it, not immediately. Oh. So I have a table in front of me, by the way, to do this because otherwise I would not be able to do it. I forgot to turn on the audio thing. So in case I'm using the audio thing, till now the audio was very bad and start now. So, yeah, as I was saying, in case the audio was horrible, that I have opened my album, and the first thing inside is this. I see things below it. Okay, oh my god, things are falling out. I don't want to see. Things that I don't want to see are falling out. Oh my god, I need to remove this. I need to remove these things and keep them. I see Terry Niche in this. Wait, I just switched to Hindi. Oh my god, I gotta not do that because not everybody that will watch this video will know Hindi. So anyway, I could see Terry in the box. So yeah, I call Taehyun Terry most of the times. I don't know why, I just like it better. And in my head, every time I think of Taehyun, I remember that clip of him going, just call me Terry. So yeah, so I call him Terry. Anyways, this is the photo book, which is gorgeous. And honestly, this was my favorite. Oh my god. I can't see with the book in front of the camera, but these are oh my god, look at him. Oh, I love this. He's not real. Okay, he's not real. He cannot be real. I refuse to believe Huening-Kai is human. Okay, I cannot. Wait, where's Yeonjun? Did I entirely miss the Yeonjun bit? No. Stop it. Found him. We found him. Oh my god, he's beautiful. I'm going to gush over this a lot. And wait, what is this? Oh, we got a survey thing. I don't know. Something. I remember there were tarot cards, so I think the next thing that is there is a tarot card. So I'm gonna show it to the camera first. What is it? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Awake anew. But it's gorgeous. Like, I have zero knowledge of any sort of tarot card. What it means, I just think they're very pretty. I don't even know if I don't believe in tarot cards and things, but I just think they're very fun and they're very, very pretty. A lot of sets are like extremely beautiful. And this one is very beautiful. I will probably look up what this means because no. Wait, I want to save the photograph. So I will open the postcard. Is it called the postcard? First. Okay, I don't know who it is. Okay, the camera gets to see first. Wait. Oh wait, this is blank. Ha! So all that for nothing. It's a blank. I knew that. I've actually watched a few videos and I knew that it was blank, but I forgot. For a minute. My mind went blank. So anyways, this is blank. I'm not giving it to anybody, I'm keeping it. Anyways, the photo card. The photo card is just there. It's just lying there. It just needs to be done. So yeah, I think the camera will see it first. Again, I don't know. Who is it? I really cannot see without my glasses. So I can't see without my glasses, and I'm going to flip it. Bet. I should have done this before, but I didn't. So I still don't know what it is because it's very blurry. So my bet is Taehyun. Just yes! Oh my god. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow. I love it. I just had a feeling it was going to be Terry. Whether it was because the photo card thing that was on top was Terry or I don't know. I just in my head I thought I would get Taehyun for my album photo card, and it is amazing. I need to get a sleeve for it now because I don't have one, and yeah. It is beautiful. Also, Terry is the one that got me into TXT because I was watching some random interview and Terry was there and I was like, who's this guy? This guy seems fun. And then I started watching TXT and I was like, oops, we're in it for life now. Anyways, what is this? This is, oh, these are stickers, are they? Are they? Yeah, stickers. Fun. Next. Oh, what? Of course, I completely forgot that there was supposed to be a CD because is that the most exciting thing of an album? I don't think so. Anyways, this is the CD. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. It's blue and silver because CDs are silver, right? So that. Then there is this huge photo of Taeyeon which I love. This is so pretty. This photo shoot is genuinely my favorite photo shoot for, this is the favorite version of the album that I saw. So yeah, the fact that I got this, I've been very lucky with this purchase. So yeah, there. This will probably go up on my wall. Okay, and like if you don't see TXT here, it's not because I don't have TXT here, it's because there is another wall this side and that is entirely TXT. So that is why you don't see TXT here. Piche. Wow. Anyways, then what is this? Okay, these are lyrics, which I mean are in Korean, which I can't read. So anyways, does not matter. Oh wait, is this the poster? Oh, I forgot there was a poster. I like knew everything that was supposed to be there, but while filming I have forgotten everything that was supposed to be there. So anyways, this is the poster which is going to go up on my wall. Oh my god. I mean, do I need to say anything for this? I don't think so. They're staring up at us. They're staring up into my soul. And yeah, this will go up. And what is this? This is a CD sleeve, which the CD slipped out of. So I'm going to put it back because respect for the CD, I think. Wait. Why can't I do this? I belong to the generation that literally grew up with CDs. Why can I not do this? Genuinely cannot do this, so I will do it later. Anyways, I don't know how to end this now. This has been fun, and the best part is that I got a Terry and I got my Soobin. So yeah, Terry has been my favorite this comeback, by the way, because there's just something about him, this comeback, which has been amazing. And I kept telling people, I kept telling everybody around me that Terry is catching my eye too much, and he's trying to become the bias wrecker. Like, I already have 2 bias wreckers in TXT, Yeonjun and Bongyu. So to have a third, like, I'm sorry, I cannot just leave Hyuka then. So I am already OT5, so I'm not going to call him anything. He will just be the person that got me into TXT, and he will be my alt bias, always. Anyways, I think I should look up whatever this tarot card means. I should, right? Anyways, how do you even look up tarot card meanings? Just write what card it is. Awake. A new tarot card. I don't know if this tarot card, like exactly this, exists in other sets, but awakening as a tarot card means joining with others and responsibility. So I don't know what this tarot card is telling me exactly, and honestly, don't care. It's just super pretty to look at, and yeah. Also, to me, this tarot card is just Bongyu. Like this person that is on the tarot card to me in my head is Bongyu. So yeah, we're gonna think that we got a Bongyu tarot card, a Taehyun photo card which I can't pick up, a Taehyun photo card, and because the universe loves me apparently, I got a Subin photo card as my benefit gift. So that. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. I don't really know how to end this. I will probably upload it or not upload it. I don't know. I don't know if this will see the light of YouTube or will it just remain on my Instagram. I have no idea. Either ways, it will end up somewhere. At least my friends will watch it. So that in case this does end up on YouTube, I think further, like going further, I would just make videos about anything that I like, which is a lot of K-pop, but also could be anything in general. Could be Bollywood, could be anything. So I'm not sure, but I just know that I like to yap and I have a camera, and I will probably just come here and yap. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.